Introduction of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution that is specialized for cybersecurity. It is an open source product that involves a lot of customization for penetration testing, which helps companies to understand their vulnerabilities. Kali Linux is based on the Debian Linux distribution and run on wide spectrum of devices. Its open source build means that it is free and legal to use in a wide range of enterprise scenarios. While many experts recommend against Kali Linux for beginners, those who are interested in cybersecurity often benefit from using this specific Linux distribution. Kali Linux offers single root users designed as a way to handle privileges, and user can disable network services by default. That is helpful for the penetration testing and data forensics that can be used to determine a company's weak points in a risk mitigation project.